In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the factory JK Wrangler bumper into a stubby rear bumper. First, start out by making the line pretty much 1/4 inch, 1/3 of an inch off the bump in the rear bumper. So you'll cut the back end radius off. So here we are, we already made our cuts. You got to cut the back edge out and try to make it work together. On the cap, we'll take your radius part and pretty much cut that out, and then everything should slide right in. Put a couple countersink screws in the area and on the bottom, and pretty much you have your rear stubby bumper. Alright, so once you have everything cut and assembled, factory stubby bumper looks like this. Moving around the corner here, your ends, your back edge is all sealed up. Pretty simple, under an hour. Hope everybody likes it. Thank you.